This looks fine until it snaps and costs you a day. You'd be surprised how many belts we replace in September. It's dry, it's hot, and these are under load all day. If your belts are glazed, cracked, or losing tension, don't risk it. JR Bearing stocks a variety of combine belts to get you up and running today. Bring it in, we'll match it, and we'll get you running in minutes. If you're looking for a belt that we don't have in stock for your combine, we have airship them in a matter of less than 2 days. Skip the breakdown, grab a spare before harvest is in full swing.